This time I'm going to show you how to format your C programming code. Now I'm going to create a scenario where my code is going to look like very messy and very hard to read. So let me make it like this, where I'm going to put this one here, then integer main just like this, and this one is going to be here, this one is going to be like this, and then there you go. Now you can see the condition of this code base. It's very hard to read, so there is a very much importance of formatting your code so that others can understand, you can understand the flow of the code. So at this moment, if I just save with the keyboard, Control S or Command S, you are going to see it's formatted very easily. Now, who is going to do this for me, and who is doing this basically in my case? So what you have to do, you have to click this extension button here, and then you have to install one package called C/C++. This is the package you need. This is the extension you need. I have already installed, but you are going to install it definitely for the first time if you have not installed it already. Now we have to go to the settings from here. If you click just setting option, and then you will see something here for opening your setting.json. If I click here, then I have to add a line so that C/C++ extension is going to work. So after you install that package, there should be something called C here, and you can see I have already added this line. Of course you have to add this. Basically what I'm saying, when I'm going to write C programming code, the default formatter is going to be Microsoft VSCode.cpp tools. Make sure to add this line, otherwise the extension is not going to work. There is one more alternative extension that you can use that's going to be called Clang format. Let me just show you that one. Well, I'm not going to use that one, but I'm just going to show you here. You can use that package called Clang format. You can install it. After installing this, you have to add one more line in the setting.json. Here you have to type editor.defaultformatter, and then you have to say zabir.clang.format, basically the name of the author here, Zabir, and then you have to say clang.format. Now I can show you that line of code here. You can see I have added the line of code. Well, I have to add comma here. After installing the package, you have to do this setup, basic setup, that's all. And then you need to restart your VS Code so that everything will work perfectly.